Mr. Burns!
Yes, sir.
We are getting ready to do John's 88 Vet fuel pump. So we have the little fuel door off. Got the little pretty rubber piece out of the way. Now we need to gently take these hoses off, which are kind of old and kind of brittle.
Okay, that's that. Let's not lose that. That goes that. Oh, okay, unplug right there.
Three.
Perfect.
Unplug that, and then your bolts there.
Excuse me.
Pull that up.
You're in my way.
Yes, sir. But, all right, Mr. Burns is on it. Mr. Burns.
What's that?
You got our OEM original pump, I see.
Yeah.
Our whole sending unit is nice and out and ready. Oh, it's mostly full of gas too. Fun.
Yeah, good thing we didn't have to drop this tank.
Yeah, no, I'm glad. That makes this easy. All right, so next step is gonna be swapping the pump.
Nice.
Let's go do it to it, sir.
Oh, I'm going home. It's break time.
Damn.
Fiesta? Siesta? Fiesta?
Siesta. Look at that. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Now this pump was weak. It was not putting out. Ooh. It is original. It's pretty neat. All right, go put it inside.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Burns.